Welcome to Tailored for Taste.
Today we're packing lunch, putting together a lunch bag that is fun, colorful, tasty, and balanced. Joining us today, Oral Tracy and his daughter, Aliyah Ann, aka Maverick. Mini Maverick.
Yes, Hungry Maverick.
Hungry Maverick.
Yes.
A bag of food now.
I hear it's a food show and I came here. We take a wash out.
You take a wash out?
Oh, you're under the thing.
No way yourself, man. Where's that?
The white squirrel now show up on my mouth. Ready to eat. Oh, well, we have to prepare it first now.
Right?
Good.
It's really for Aliyah, we have it cooking, you know.
Okay.
You know, you're just accompanying her, you know, so, you know. Anyways, we know you'll enjoy it too.
Right.
So we're going to start off making a fruit smoothie, right? Very simple, easy. So we're going to use some yogurt here. You can actually use any fruit that you'd want. This is just plain yogurt, but you could add any other fruit that you'd wish to add to this.
You normally put yogurt in a plain fruit smoothie?
In this one, we're...
Okay.
What's the name of that smoothie?
Let's come up with a name. I mean, I was just calling it fruit smoothie, but we could call it a different thing. What would you like to call it?
Yogurt fruit.
Fruit yogurt.
Fruit yogurt. I like that. That works. Fruit yogurt. All right, cool. So today we're using bananas and some frozen strawberries. Right? And then throw that in. And then I'm going to add half a cup of water to this. Now you can add some more water or less, depending on how thick you want it. That's good.
Okay.
It's a good idea if you don't have a high-powered blender. When you have all those ingredients, you can start pulsing it, just on and off.
Stop, yeah.
And it will break down the ingredients, and then you can start to blend it out whole.
Tell me something. Sometimes when I do smoothie at home, I put ice with all of that. Is that taking away from the taste or the value or the
No, because you could use the ice to substitute the water for the water, so you get a different texture.
That's what I normally do. Okay, there you go.
You're
Looks good.
Very good.
Yeah. Do we have the freedom to taste?
Please do.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah,
Good to go.
Good.
It's a little
Sour.
yes.
Tart.
Thank you.
The tartness.
A little bit.
Yes, the tartness coming from the yogurt and the strawberries.
Yeah,
I
and
mean,
the banana.
well, the banana would add a little more sweetness and creaminess, but you could add some sugar to this if you wish.
If you want.
If you want.
But you would be
But
compromising the
I'm trying to,
healthy.
yes.
The nutritional value
Right,
there.
Yeah.
yes.
Yes,
And if you added
yeah.
less water, it would have been thicker.
It's a fight that we have with children in terms of trying to consume less sugar.
That's good, that's good. I mean, a smoothie is something you can have any time of day,
Yeah.
so it's great. Stack. So Andre's
All
going
right.
to hook us up with
Some loaded
Cheese.
grilled cheese sandwiches, because Maverick hungry, we're here.
Yeah, but the cheese thing, I heard language that.
You're not into cheese so much?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I do. But she loves cheese.
She loves cheese.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna start to know today. All right, now typically a grilled cheese is just cheese, butter, and a little bit of mustard.
Yeah.
But we're doing a loaded grilled cheese here. All right, now since it's loaded, you can pretty much put whatever you want in there. Today we're gonna go with some turkey products, turkey ham, turkey slices, etc. We have some chicken over here, some roast chicken that I just browned off in the pan. We have some caramelized onions, 2 types of cheeses, and some Dijon mustard. So what I'm going to start to do here is brush the outside of the bread with some butter. So I'm going to do the first one. I'm going to ask Terry to finish up the rest for me.
That's a lot, man. I try.
That's why I gave you the smoothie,
I'm
you know?
trying to.
Yeah. Now, what we want the outside of the bread to be brown and toasted. All right, so right there, you're looking at additional flavor, better texture, all of these things. Inside, we're gonna go with a little bit of mustard. This is going to add some additional flavor and a bit of tartness to the dish, because this is fairly rich, all right, with all the cheese and all of these meats. It's a fairly rich dish, so this will help to kind of cut through all of that richness so that it's not too cloying. As we say, too gliding.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Same thing. What I find I would have classified myself as an amateur chef, is that I experiment with a lot of the stuff like you're doing there now. But what I find after a while, I try, after doing it a couple of times, loaded as you call it, I try to keep it as simple as possible.
Yeah.
Because if you okay, say you crowd the the sandwich too much. You kind of lose the essence of the individual ingredients. You see what I'm saying?
And that really is a matter of preference.
Yeah.
Right? So we have two types of cheeses here. We have some cheddar, we have some pepper jack. Terry, if you could just come over this side and finish brushing for me. We have the two types of cheeses. We have the mustard directly on the bread.
Yes.
This is caramelized onions.
Yes.
Right? No, this is sweet.
That brown thing?
Yeah. This is just onions cooked down with a little bit of sugar and some butter and so forth. Really sweet, really nice.
Okay.
All right. Now, another thing that I did, I have the pan preheating. We're going to toast it in a pan rather than in a toaster because one, this can't fit in a toaster, and two, additional flavor because you get a bit of smokiness from the pan over here. So I had it preheating on high. I'm going to turn it down to medium because we don't want it to burn. You good with everything here? Everything here is turkey based.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. All right.
You know, one of my favorite things to eat as a child was grilled cheese sandwich. Like when I stayed with my grandmother in St. Elizabeth for summer holidays, this is what was always supper.
Grilled cheese?
Yes, but not with meat and all of that.
Send me
just
your
the
address
cheese.
when you're ready. In the restaurant, we'd have panini machines and things to press this. You don't have that here?
You serious?
Use a pot. Yeah.
No, so that look uncivilized, no boss.
But guess what?
Put the pot.
But yeah, it works.
Yeah.
And you have to use what you have. No, so.
I press out the sandwich. Okay.
Boom.
Oh dear.
See that?
Yeah.
Nice and brown.
Yeah.
See if
Probably
you
the
can hear
fire
this.
one turn on a bit, eh?
No, man.
Not the fire, the stove.
This is good.
That's good?
This is real good.
That's it? That's okay.
All right. Let me just get 2 plates here.
So the objective of that part of the exercise there, where you're putting it in the pot there, is not to get the heat permeating right through the sandwich, but just to
It
give
is
the
actually.
outside of the toast that
It
look.
is both.
Okay.
You want to toast the bread, you want the cheese to melt, and you want to rewarm the ingredients that are in there.
You don't look so vulgar again since you press it out. You look as vulgar as it did when it tall up like
You
that.
say vulgar.
Yeah. Question. One question. Am I asking too many questions?
No, sir.
Why the need to press it to get it done?
So it don't look vulgar. Like this.
Okay. So that was the objective. Yeah.
And they can fit in your mouth.
It fits in your mouth better. I think you get a better crust on it when you do it this way. And it looks better.
Yes, it does.
You understand? So, tell you what, I'm going to have you both share it because we don't want this to get cold.
Yeah.
And then, when the other one is prepared, we can take it over. So you can just go right ahead and dig in.
And then you taste first and tell me what you think.
Okay.
You're the foodie.
Alia was
Hold
telling
up
us
ahead.
earlier that she likes to assist in the kitchen by eating.
By eating.
By eating. So we have the roasted chicken in there, crisped up in the pan.
Tastes sweet.
Tastes sweet
onions.
from the caramelized onions, right? Now, if that little bit of sweetness is not for you, you can just put less in there. Follow what I mean? If you want more sweetness, you add more caramelized onions. You want more cheese. This is
To your liking.
tailor to your taste.
Listen, Ali. I'm learning now. I soon stop cooking now. Okay.
All right, so you just continue. Eat all you want over there.
All
We
right.
have much more after the break, so we'll be right back.